We're in Central Europe, in the Czech Republic, in the city of Ostrava. For centuries, this region has mined coal, and the highest quality at that, coking coal. In the 19th century, approximately 20 coking plants were established here. Many soon disappeared, but the tradition and experience persisted and were concentrated in the Svoboda coking plant, founded in 1908. Today, we know it as Ostrava Karviná Coking Plants, OKK. Let's now have a look at how we produce coke at OKK, who uses it and for what purposes, and why our coke is considered to be among the finest in the world. Here's the entire OKK complex. Coal unloading, coal blend preparation, coal blend storage hoppers, coking batteries, byproduct manufacturing, laboratories, and finally, coke sorting and dispatch to customers. The entire operation runs in perfect harmony. It's based on more than 100 years of experience and strengthened by ongoing modernization and environmental improvement. Let's take a closer look at the production process. Coke production begins here when the supplier delivers coking coal. We examine the precise properties of each delivery in the laboratory. We'll look there later. Coal of verified quality proceeds to the coal blend preparation plant. Here, we mix together up to 7 types of coal in carefully selected proportions in order to obtain a blend from which we'll produce coke meeting the quality requirements of our customers. The coal blend is ground into a fine powder. The well-mixed and ground coal blend, we call it the charge, is then stored in coal bins, ready to be charged in the coking chamber. OKK operates 210 coking chambers. These are divided into 4 batteries. Each chamber is served by a charging and pusher machine. It handles both the charging of the coal blend into the chamber and the subsequent pushing out of the finished coke. Watch the entire process first in animation. The coal blend is compacted in the machine into a solid block and, using a charging bar, is pushed into the chamber, which has a capacity of approximately 20 tons. In the chamber, the coal block is heated to a temperature of around 1,150 degrees Celsius without access to air. Carbonization takes place, transforming the coal into coke under ideal conditions within 32 to 34 hours. Finally, the red-hot coke is pushed into the quenching car, which takes it to the quenching tower for cooling. Now let's see the full process in real footage. Stamping of the coal charge into a solid block. Pushing the charge into the chamber. And after 32 to 34 hours, pushing the finished coke into the quenching car. The hot coke, still with a temperature of over 1,100 degrees Celsius, is taken to a quenching tower where it's cooled with water to around 200 degrees Celsius. Only water vapor escapes the tower. Our customers require not only precise quality parameters, but also specific sizes of coke, which we sort. After this, our coke is ready for dispatch. It's transported to customers by rail or road freight transport. The production capacity of OKK is approximately 800,000 tons of coke per year. OKK supply the market with a complete range of coke. We focus primarily on the production of foundry coke, where our customers expect the highest quality. A significant part of our foundry coke is used in the production of mineral stone wool, which serves as insulating material for reducing the energy consumption of buildings. Further coke goes to foundries for the production of cast iron in the automotive and engineering industries. It's also indispensable in special metallurgy, petrochemicals, sugar refining, and other strategic sectors. During coke production, a number of byproducts are formed, which are significant raw materials for the chemical industry. These include, for example, tar, benzol, solid sulfur, and ammonium sulfate. Most importantly, a large quantity of technically pure coke oven gas is produced. In line with the principles of the circular economy, we reuse this gas to heat our coke oven batteries and to supply about 1/3 of the city of Ostrava's heating requirements. OKK ranks among the world's leaders in quality. We are the largest producer of foundry coke in Europe, and we export our coke worldwide. Our customers choose us not only for our tradition and experience, but primarily for our quality, which always comes first with us. Every incoming coal delivery undergoes careful laboratory testing, and we test our produced coke just as strictly before its shipment. Alongside quality, social responsibility and our relationship with the region in which we operate are also fundamental to OKK. We therefore continuously assess our impact on our surroundings, invest in the greening of production, reduce emissions, and minimize impacts on the environment. We comply with strict European standards for reducing emissions and greenhouse gases. For over a century, we've been part of Ostrava, actively contributing to improving the living conditions of its inhabitants. We voluntarily undertake commitments beyond legislative requirements, significantly supporting local culture and sport. OKK, Ostrava Karvina Coking Plants. A stable producer of high-quality coke, a reliable employer, and your forward-thinking partner.